Hello, welcome to LA Engineering Solutions India Private Limited. Here you are going to witness machine used for a microfilter assembly which is used in the medical industry, and here the parts are fed in the bowl feeder, and from there the parts comes in a linear feeding and then it goes to the line. These are all the finished part, video jet printed. The parts comes from the bowl feeder through linear feeder, and from there it is picked up individually, and then the parts, the filter paper, the micron filter paper is placed by the manpower, and then from there all the components are ultrasonic welded. The medical industries needs very high precise machine, and also the complete machine is made out of stainless steel. This machine is made in India. Thank you. Further, if you have any requirement, please do contact us in the address given below. Email and phone numbers are also given. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you.